Well, these are my upgrades. This is my old tire. As you can see, the old front tire is a 110 70/17, upgraded to a 130 70/17. Kawasaki Ninja 250R. Back tire upgraded also to a 150 70/17. Right there. No mods at all. If you take it to the right shop and just give them the tires, I ordered the tires on Amazon, Power Sports. Got the tires, ordered a new exhaust. I got a whole new bike, a 250R. It's still a 250R, but I tell you what, anybody see me on the street, they're gonna swear up and down it's a 500. It looks great. That's the main thing for me. Some people say, "Oh, why'd you waste your money? It's all cosmetics." Yeah, it's all cosmetics, but let's face it. I mean, isn't that what it's all about? You know. I mean, come on. You know, you want to look good out there, and that just don't look good on a motorcycle. I mean, it's nice. I had this bike for 13 months. After 12 months, I said, you know what? I want to get a 500 because I like it. It's sportier. Then I said, do I want to spend $3,000-$4,000, buy a new tag, title, when I can just spend $400 in upgrades? Actually, it's more like $700 because the tires were about $100 a piece, and the exhaust was $400, so that's $600. And I paid like $200 for labor, so I guess it was like $800, but it's worth it. I mean, my insurance is not going to go up because it's still a 250. If I went up to a 500 or 1,000, forget it. My insurance would double, triple. So I'm still driving a 500. Still looks good. Still rides great. 0 mods. I did a ton of research to find out if I can put these 150 70/17s without doing a mod. I did a ton of research trying to determine if I can use the front tire without a mod. I went from a 110 on the front to a 130 70/17. 0 mod to the bike. But you got to take it to the right shop, guys and girls, because some places will tell you it can't be done. Well, guess what? It can be done. It can be done quite well too. I mean, look at these tires. It's a 150 70/17 Bridgestone. I mean, the whole bike just looks like a monster compared to what it used to. I mean, I'm sure there's some guys looking at this video with 1,000, a liter bike, and they're like, oh, this guy's okay, fine, you got yourself a liter. But my 250 looks good, and it gets me where I need it to be, and I definitely command respect on the road. Thank you for checking out my video. And again, if you have a 250R, save your piggy bank money and get these tires. It's going to make your bike look so much better. Now, the ride is going to be a little different. Not with the back tire. I did the back tire first. A week later, I did the front tire. The back tire, the ride actually was better. It stops better. It rides better. The front tire is going to be a tight turn. If you go to 130 70/17s instead of the 120 70/17, the 130 is tighter. It's a tighter turn. It's a little harder to turn, but I mean, believe me, it won't be that big of an adjustment. It's worth it. Because after about a week, you're going to be like, oh, I got this. It's no big deal. But enjoy it. I mean, it's a great mod. And the exhaust, is a very good mod as well. I got a lot of bass on it now. I crank it up. I mean, you know, it gives me that loud thump that I was looking for. So, you know, it's a great bike. I mean, get those tires upgraded, guys and girls, because you want to look, you want to look nice out there. I mean, not that they didn't look nice before, but it's just now. I mean, this thing just looks like a monster compared to what it used to look like. I mean, it just is a monster. So again, the tires from the rear tire the stock was a 120 70-17. I went to it was a 130 70-17 tire. I went to a 150 70-17. Some people went from 150 70-17 to from a 130 70-17 to a 150 60-17. But I wanted the height because I'm a tall guy. So just like the front, I'm at a 130 70-17 instead of 130 60-17. So I like the height on it. I want to keep that 17 height. You know, because if you're short, if you're 5'6", 5'7", for a guy that's short, for a girl that's, okay. But if you're 5'6", 5'7", 5'8", you may want to drop it down a little. But for me, I'm 6'2", so I wanted the height. I wanted to keep that height. For me, it's nice to have, to be able to get up there and have that power motorcycle. But I did so much market research. I mean, I went online. It can't be done. Some people said it could be done. And I took a chance. I mean, I went to Rockville Motorsports in Rockville, Maryland. I gave them the tires. They said, oh, that's big. But, these guys, man, they'll do anything. They said, all right, we'll do it. I mean, they struggled with the front tire. They said it was a lot of work to get it on, but they got it on. And it doesn't rub or anything. I mean, it's great. They were saying you got better traction. So, I mean, it's riding like a new bike. Anyway, enjoy. Take care.